In this video, we'll be covering result clauses. A result clause is a subordinate or dependent clause. This means it cannot stand on its own, so it's part of another sentence. This subordinate dependent clause is used to express an action that results from the action of the main verb. So because the main verb is such a way, or because the main verb happens, the following will result. Here are some examples. That man is so scary, and so that's the main verb, is so scary. Because he's scary, the result is that all run away in fear. The baby is so beautiful, and again, because the baby is so beautiful, what results is that many rush to see him. Many rushing to see him is the result clause. The teacher teaches in such a way, and because this teacher is teaching in such a way, the result is that many students do not learn. And the team is so great, and again, because the team is so great, what results is that they will not lose a game. A result clause is introduced with the conjunction ut and ut ... non for the negative. The verb in a result clause is in the subjunctive mood. A result clause follows the same sequence of tenses as a purpose clause. So if the main verb is present or future, you'll use the present subjunctive in the result clause. If the main verb is perfect, imperfect, or past perfect, you will use the imperfect subjunctive in the result clause. It's easy to spot a result clause because there's usually a so word in the main clause. This so word is a telltale sign that a result clause might be coming. So if you see some of the following words in the main verb, you are expecting a result clause to follow, like adio, to the point that, ita, in such a manner, or so that, sic, in this manner, so that, talus, of such a kind, such, tom, so, very that, tantis, so great or so much, tot, so many, or usque eo, to such a point that. So for example, he teaches in such a manner that no students are learning. She is of such a kind that all marvel at her grace. So now we're going to talk about a result versus purpose clauses. So a purpose clause also has the verb in the subjunctive. It is introduced by ut in the positive, but however in the negative, remember it's introduced by ne. A purpose clause expresses the purpose of the main verb. It's why you are doing the main verb. A result clause also uses subjunctive and is usually prepared or introduced in the main clause by a so word like ita, tom, talus, so forth. It is also introduced by ut for the positive. However, the negative is ut ... non, not ne. And result clause expresses the result of the main verb. Because the main verb is such a way or so that, this results. Remember, purpose shows the purpose of why you're doing something. Result tells you why something results.